have a great deal of respect for FCA and all its brands. The company's founder, Walter P. Chrysler, inspired engineering excellence that spawned unparalleled innovation, many of which have benefited the entire automotive industry and society at large, and still inspires today.
It's so cool to be in the auto industry today, whether you're looking at 4 cylinders, 6 cylinders, big 900 pound-feet of torque towing monster, or an 8-cylinder, 840 horsepower drag race machine, or a car designed for the twisties like the 10-cylinder, 645 horsepower Viper ACR. There is something for everybody. To me, I think I have found the most fun car to own in my life. It's a Dodge Demon. 770 pound-feet of torque, 840 horsepower. All I can say is, I have never been to a racetrack and drag race before, but this one is designed to do it. A bunch of my buddies have bought Dodge Demons and they have thrown down the gauntlet. Guys like Richard Rollins from Fast and Loud and Dennis Collins, we all have black ones. This seems to be the color of choice right now, but my one buddy got an orange one. He said, "I'll race you at the racetrack, come on down." But that's what this car is all about, taking it to the racetrack. Yes, it does pop a wheelie, and it can do 9.65 quarter mile. Horsepower and torque are strange bedfellows, and a good example of that is this Dodge Ram with a Cummins 6-cylinder turbocharged engine in it. It only has 385 horsepower, but it's got 900 pound-feet of torque. This thing can tow a house. But today we're going to talk all about the brand new 2018 Dodge Demon. The car, yes, that pops a wheelie.